to manage text messages on your iPhone or iPad. The single most important feature is how to manage the text messages on your iPhone or iPad. It can get tiring and cluttered, especially when you get messages from every friend, family member, and unknown number. Well, that's not a problem now. Follow these easy steps that will help you master your text messages, clean up your conversations, and free some extra storage in your device. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to manage text messages on your iPhone or iPad. First, locate the Messages app on your iPhone or iPad. It's usually on the home screen. Now tap the Messages app to open it. In the Messages app, you'll see a list of your conversations. These are displayed as a list of names or numbers. Tap on a conversation to view the messages. Once you've opened a conversation, you can read the messages. To reply to a message, tap the text box at the bottom of the screen. Type your message and tap the Send button, which looks like a blue arrow. To delete a single message, swipe left on the message and tap Delete to confirm. To delete an entire conversation, swipe left on the conversation and tap Delete to confirm. To forward a message, tap and hold on the message. Select the contact to forward the message to. To share a file or photo, tap the App Store icon, which looks like a blue A in the text box. Select the file or photo that you want to share and tap Send to share. If you're messaging another iPhone or iPad user, you can use iMessage features like end-to-end encryption, group chats, and more. To access these features, make sure iMessage is enabled in Settings on Messages. To manage message notifications, go to Settings, select Notifications, then go to Messages. From here, you can customize notification settings, like turning off notifications for specific conversations. To block a number, open the conversation and tap Info, which looks like an eye icon. Tap Block this caller to block the number, and to report spam, tap Report Junk from the same menu.